Hi guys, CourageDummy556 here back with it again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a nice house. Again, uh, yesterday I made this house, and now I'm going to make another one. Yeah, this is the layout. The orange blocks are the logs where you're going to put your wooden logs, and every other space is planks and stairs and stuff. I will show you. Alright, this is just the layout. Okay. Now, uh, start by putting in the logs four up. Then, on in this side, just so you know, here is the entrance. Put like whole wall and stairs, and I think here, yes, they will connect. Nice. And then fill this in. Stairs here. Wrong way. Then take planks and fill the spaces in between here. Here don't. Here is the only one where you don't do that, and I will show you why. Fill the top part, and then place. Oh, forgot here. Place here and place glass panes on the edges here. And for here, we're going to do this. I think it's 3, 2, 2, 3. Yeah. Then build up with the wooden planks here, and here, and here, and here, and here. I'm actually speedrunning this. I can't believe it. When I was building this in free roam, I was doing it very slowly, but now I feel like I'm speedrunning it. And then you put this in. Just fill all of these with the you with this. Wait, I feel like we can put here, one of them here. Yeah, let's say it's good. Then fill the top. The floor design you can make your own, or just fill it up with planks, because it's not really not that difficult to make a floor. Just fill it up with like with old planks or something. I don't know. Yeah. So basically, fill the roof here. Now, we take this. Shoot. Uh, there's a log here. Um, connect it to here and put 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 logs on the other logs. Place make a door frame right here. Again, as on the bottom floor, put the door in. Then again, fill these. And here we're going to make another door frame. This is the last door, I promise. But yeah, there's just a lot of doors. So yeah, fill this in, place stairs here and windows. Um, no, I messed up. I messed up. Yeah, basically put these in, and what we can do here, we can just break this one, oh, and put it like this, so it matches with this on the bottom. Here also connect it, fill in the windows, and uh, take your fence and put it around here to make like a terrace or a balcony or what, or some sort. I don't know, you can call it whatever you want. Yeah, we're almost done, guys. Now we just have to make the roof. Y'all can make your own roof design, but I'm going to make a simple one. So if you want to follow along, uh, basically I'm going to copy the roof from my previous building video, so you guys can see the roof design on in the previous video was. I feel this is very good looking. Uh, a very good looking roof, but I don't know if y'all want to do like a window design or something. I don't know, y'all can do that because yeah, this is just a basic roof design I'm going to show you. It's not really hard to do, especially in creative mode. It doesn't take that much materials also. So yeah, um, here, now fill the roof in with oak roofs. I mean stairs. Take some slabs and put them on the middle part. Y'all can also take some cobblestone slabs and put them in the middle on top of the other slabs. But I don't do that because I don't like how it looks. And yeah, that's it. The house is looking very nice, in my opinion. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video. This is how to, or we can actually do something. We can make a bit detail. So if we put this, and this here, we can make like a table. You can sit with your friends at if you have a server or something. Oh, you can also put this in and put a lantern here. Make sure to put one inside. And the last finishing touches, we're going to put one here and one here. Oh, and I almost forgot, we have to fill this in. So yeah, this is going to be it for this video. Um, yeah, this is the house that this is the house. If y'all like it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.